you sick of that old Pantheon dome? That's like so 2,000 years ago.
We see many silos today. A silo is a tower topped with a dome and is used to store grain. Romans used silos, but as covered pits, thanks to the Romans, silos come in great use today. The Dallas Cowboys have the largest domed stadium. It's the largest column-free interior. Each roof panel of the dome is 250 feet long and over 14,000 tons. It takes 12 minutes to open or close the dome.
An igloo is a dome-shaped house made in cold places with snow and ice, like Antarctica, and it is built out of snow and ice blocks, which is built up into a spiral. Then there's a hole at the top for the smoke to escape from the fire, which heats all the people inside of the igloo. A dome-shaped garden house is better than a rectangular-shaped garden house because when it's dome-shaped, it can contribute the same amount of heat throughout the day. Because when it's a dome, it's not rectangular, so it doesn't have to just go against the wall all day. It can just go all around, and it will distribute equally and everything. And then it also keeps the heat in. Okay, so an observation center is used to study plants, stars, and the universe. And then there's a telescope that comes out of the dome-shaped ceiling and then the ceiling moves up and then to the side so that the telescope can come out. And then you can look through the telescope and locate all the planets and stuff that you need to use to study the stars, the planets.
The Epcot Center in Disney is huge. It grows 30 tons of fruit and vegetables. Then they serve it at Walt Disney World restaurants. It also has a spaceship that is 180 feet tall. Then it weighs 16 million pounds. They have a replica of the Eiffel Tower that is 103 feet tall. And when Epcot Center first opened, it had no thrill rides. Now that we have learned about the fun and exciting domes, now it's time to turn our attention to the not so fun and exciting historical dome. The Pantheon is one of Rome's greatest achievements. Because of its dome shape, it became famous. Its front porch is based on Greek design, the Parthenon. It also has columns, like the Greeks. The Pantheon was the first building ever to combine Greek and Roman ideas, and also culture. Inside the building contained the gods and goddesses Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, Saturn, and Venus, which was also Greek gods, but named after the planets. Parthenon is Greek meaning for of all the gods. In 608 CE, the building was converted to a Christian church and became a burial place for kings, queens, and many great men of Italy. The Parthenon survived its original form, making it unique. It survived for more than 2,000 years. The Pantheon was made out of stone, marble, concrete, and bronze.
Okay, so the Pantheon is 142 feet tall, and at the bottom it is 142 feet in diameter. And then there's a hole in the top called an oculus, so that the gods could see through the hole and see everything that was going on. And then the oculus means eye in Latin. And volcanic rock was added to the top to make it really light. And then the volcanic rock was mixed with concrete so that it had its color and shape. Because they would put, for the coffers that looked like this, they were squares inside of squares with indents because they used the wood frames to make it indented. And then they also invented the concrete to make that, which mainly made a good portion of the Pantheon. And that's about it. Oh yeah, and there was also concrete statues and stuff of the gods inside. And And that's it. How long was it?
Please call 1-800-FUN-DOMES to plan your next vacation spot or to buy one of our domes.